might say that the GTS as a convertible is a little bit incongruous in, well, the current surroundings over here. But maybe it isn't. You see, modern cars have all the things they need to keep you warm, even with the roof down in weather that's not scorching hot. And if need be, you really could actually just put a full hard shell roof that is buried here in the back, and by the flick of a switch, within 14 seconds, you can electronically, up to a speed of 45 kilometers per hour while you're driving in town, get the roof back on or take it off. And when it's on, in my opinion, it looks every bit as good as the 812 Coupe. And with the roof down, I mean, just look at this. It just looks so much better. Mostly thank you to these bulging bits behind the seats. Now there's a 6.5 litre naturally aspirated V12 up in front, and this sort of grand touring, biggish sports car. It has a beautiful sports exhaust system from us that puts such an extravagant note towards the rear. I mean, those are the formidable ingredients to absolute happiness, especially with the roof down. Now, that engine produces 800 horsepower in natural form, 718 Newton meters of torque. That gets sent to the rear tires through an F1 7-speed gearbox. It's got systems in place like rear wheel steering and Ferrari's side slip angle control. All things telling me that Ferrari really wants you to take this car out and make it go fast. And so you should. I mean, it just looks really fast. And with that roof down. Now, speaking of going fast in it, unfortunately, we shan't be doing that today. Mostly because of this white stuff here on the ground. The temperatures out there are just ridiculous. These are summer tires, and well, let's just say the odds speak for me wrapping this thing around a tree like Christmas decor. And we shan't be doing that because this is a customer's car. And that reminds me, we have our own GTS, and that car we are going to test extensively. But not yet, because it's still in the chop shop. They're still busy designing the rest of the Largo kit for it.